This is very distinctive with the red.
We actually, no, not right outside. That's in my apartment. Like from the school. And roughly. I'm like 30 minutes away from school, walking. Walking through hail and blizzard. Yeah, my apartment. Hiking through hail.
Closer to my children than my children.
Buff-billed ibis.
Very long beak. Tá bonito nessa luz aí. Getting its whole body weight. Have ibis here, Colin?
So if the howler monkey is like, what would be its predator?
Hawks,
Hawks.
eagles.
Yeah. The caiman will not eat the birds, right?
No. Please do not stand up. Yellow. The male is black.
Yeah, you can adjust that.
The baby monkey is behind them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You adjust through the...
There's one monkey right here.
Where?
On this branch. Here.
What?
On this tree.
The head just moved.
Oh, they are cooking at two different things. There is one right there.
Oh, there's one there and
Yeah.
there's one there.
Yeah.
There's nothing. There's there.
So if you take the monkey on the right and go left to the top left of the tree, there is also other monkeys. Yeah. There are two over there, two female.
Beautiful.
There's two here. There's a sound electric. Right in front of us, at 12 o'clock from the road. In front of us, you can sound you can see the spice on its head. Version of the Amazon kingfisher.
It's almost the size of like a large hummingbird.
vision is so bad.
I can't see anything.
Okay, now I saw it.
I saw it. No, I was looking for